أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. May I introduce my lovely and brilliant student Muhammad Umer Farooq from Spain. Assalamu alaikum Umar.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Alhamdulillah. I am making this video for those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world, and especially for abroad student. So this is my humble request to all of you. Please watch completely this video, and inshallah they will extract the techniques, tips, and the way of teaching methodology, inshallah. And I will tell you that how can you teach the abroad student in English. My dear viewers and subscribers, in English it is a very easy way to teach a student. Please observe and keenly, with a vivid observation, watch this video, and inshallah you will extract the technique, the way, the behavior of the ethics of the teaching methodology, inshallah. Okay, Umar, are you ready to read dua before start your lesson?
Yes.
Okay, please read dua. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما.
रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. माशाल्लाह. परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सके. से आमीन.
Ameen.
Okay beta, now read. He Musa alayhi salam said.
He Musa alayhi salam said, My Lord, open up for me my chest, and ease for me from my task, and untie the knot for my tongue, that they may understand my speech.
Now please repeat after me. Please repeat after me. قال
قال
يا آدم
يا آدم
أنبئهم
أنبئهم
بأسمائهم.
بأسمائهم.
While reading, I will tell you the rule of Tajweed. Okay? So this is the heavy letter Qaf with Alif, and Alif, this Alif become Alif Madda. Qa. Qala. This is Ya Adamu. Okay, you will stretch this Ya. You will stretch a little bit because Ya has standing zabar and short mad also. And Hamza has also standing zabar. And you will stretch both of them. Ya and then Damu. Oh, okay, this is the iqlab. Okay, this is the iqlab, and you should apply on iqlab rule. And then bi, you will read this hamza with a jerk. Bi, and this is the ikfa shafwi here. Ikfa shafwi here. Yeah. Hum. Okay. Hum bi asma'ihim. This is the madde muttasil here. Now repeat after me. Bihum
أنبئهم
bi asma'ihim.
بأسمائهم.
Okay, mashallah, very good, bravo, excellent. You are quick learner, you are brave boy, you are smart boy, you are very intelligent boy. Omer, This is the sign of waqf jazz here, and it's better to stop, but it is permissible to continue. Okay. Next, falamma
فلما
anba'ahum
أنبأهم
biasma'ihim.
بأسمائهم.
Mashallah, excellent. You make iqlab here, okay? You make iqlab here, and this is the ikfa shafwi again. And you learned mim sakina rules, okay? Idgham shafwi, ikfa shafwi, and izhar shafwi. So this is the ikfa shafwi here, and this is the madde muttasil here. Madde muttasil. And why do we call it madde muttasil here? I tell you, because after a long mad, the letter hamza is appear in the same word, so we call it madde muttasil here. This is the madde muttasil, and this is the madde munfasil here, because after a short mad, the letter hamza is appear in the separate letter, in the separate word. So this is the madde munfasil, and this is the madde muttasil. Again, this is the madde muttasil here. Okay, and this is the sign of lam. Okay, you shouldn't pause there, you shouldn't stop there. Okay, if you found this tiny lam, okay, in the middle of the verse, you shouldn't pause there, you shouldn't stop there. Is it clear, beta?
Clear.
Good. Repeat after me. Qala
قال
alam
ألم
aqul lakum.
أقل لكم.
Okay, this is the izhar shafwi here. After a mim sakina, hamza letter is appearing. Okay, izhar shafwi here. Inni.
إني.
Okay, and you make gunna also. This is the madde munfasil, right? You can look at the ya sakina, there is a short mad over there. Okay, this is the madde munfasil, and the hamza letter is appearing in the separate word, so this is the madde munfasil. Listen, be carefully. This is hamza zabar a. This is hamza zabar a, and this hamza zabar a will connect with the ain, because ain has a jazm sign over there. So how will you read? A'lamu. Repeat after me. A'lamu
أعلم
غيب السماوati
غيب السماوات
والأرض.
والأرض.
Yes, this is yalin. Yalin. Okay, because there is a zabar before ya sakina, and this ya become yalin letter. Okay, and you will read very softly this ya sakina. غيب السماوات والأرض. Okay, again tiny lam is appearing, okay, in the middle of the verse, so you shouldn't pause there. Next, وأعلم.
وأعلم
Ma, you will stretch because there is a zabar before alif, and this is alif madda. Ma
ما
tubduna.
تبدون.
This is kalkula letter, okay? Yes, this is kalkula letter because ba has jazm sign over there. Kutubu jaddin. There were 5 echo sound letters, bouncing letters, so the ba is one of them, and you will read with the echo sound. Tubduna
تبدون
wama
وما
kuntum.
كنتم.
Yes, you make ikfa here. because after the noon sakina ta is appearing, and I told you that there were 15 ikfa letters. Okay, 15 ikfa letters.
Ikfa letter.
Yeah, and you make ikfa. Qa, tom.
Kong. Tom.
Yeah, this is a Izhar Shafri here. Tak, tumun.
Tak. Tumon.
MashaAllah, very good. My dear viewers and subscribers, thank you very much. You are watching this video. Jazakumullah khair. And please share this video as much as you can in your friend circles, relative circles, and your locality and WhatsApp group. Please share this video on different social media, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, Umar, thank you very much. Say Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.